How to start an online business with no money down. Did you know that you can start your own online business without spending a single penny? Shocking but true. In today's digital era, your determination, creativity, and resourcefulness are worth far more than your bank balance. This video is your golden ticket to unlocking a world of infinite online opportunities. We're going to reveal how you can kickstart your dream business using completely free tools and platforms, making the impossible possible. But here's the catch. We won't spill all the secrets right away. You need to stay tuned to discover all the priceless insights that this guide holds. So if you've been dreaming about starting an online business, but the lack of funds has been your roadblock, it's time to sit back, watch on, and let us turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Welcome aboard this game-changing journey where no money is certainly no problem. Number 1. Identify your skills and talents. In the quest to start your entrepreneurial journey, the first crucial stride is to discover your unique set of skills and talents. Take a moment to reflect on your passions, interests, and motivations, those things that truly ignite your inner fire. What activities do you enjoy? And what are you exceptionally good at? Envision how these qualities can provide genuine value to your potential customers. Grab a pen and paper and compile a list of your offerings, those special attributes that set you apart in the digital landscape. Consider your past achievements and triumphs, for they hold the key to unlocking your true potential. What have you excelled at before, and what are your areas of expertise? Your education and interests can also be vital clues to the type of business that aligns with your skills. Number 2. Identify your niche and target market. The first step in starting an online business with no money is to identify your niche and target market. Research and brainstorm potential business ideas that align with your skills, passions, and market demand. Look for untapped opportunities or gaps in the market that you can fill. By narrowing down your focus and understanding your target audience's needs, you can position your business for success from the outset. Knowing your niche and target market is crucial, as it allows you to tailor your products, services, and marketing efforts to attract the right customers. It also helps you stand out in a crowded online space and build a loyal customer base. Number 3. Create a business plan. Once you've identified your niche and target market, the next step is to create a well-thought-out business plan. Outline your business goals, strategies, revenue streams, and marketing approach. A comprehensive business plan acts as a roadmap, guiding you through the various stages of your business's growth. It helps you stay focused, set achievable milestones, and make informed decisions. Additionally, a business plan can be instrumental in attracting potential investors or partners in the future. While you may not have initial capital, having a solid plan in place can significantly increase your chances of success in the long run. Number 4. Leverage free online tools. With no money to invest initially, it's essential to leverage free online tools and platforms to establish your online presence. Utilize website builders like WordPress or Wix to create a professional website at no cost. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer free business pages to connect with your target audience. Email marketing services like MailChimp provide free plans for managing and growing your email list. You can also use free graphic design tools like Canva for creating visually appealing marketing materials. By utilizing these free resources, you can start building your brand and reaching potential customers without financial constraints. Number 5. Build an online presence. Building a strong online presence is crucial for the success of your online business. Create a professional website that reflects your brand identity and showcases your products or services. Ensure the website is mobile friendly, as a significant portion of online traffic comes from mobile devices. Utilize search engine optimization or SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results, attracting organic traffic. Establish active profiles on social media platforms relevant to your target audience. Engage with your followers regularly, share valuable content, and respond to inquiries promptly. By being present and active online, you can build trust and credibility with potential customers, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Number 6. Network and collaborate. Networking is a powerful tool for growing your online business without monetary investment. Engage with like-minded individuals, industry peers, and potential customers through social media groups, online forums, and virtual events. Participate in discussions, offer insights, and build relationships with others in your niche. Collaborate with influencers or complementary businesses to reach a wider audience. Partnering with influencers can expose your brand to their followers, followers, providing valuable social proof. Collaboration with other businesses can lead to cross-promotional opportunities, expanding your reach further. These networking and collaboration efforts can significantly boost your online presence and attract new customers organically. Number 7. Offer valuable content or services. Content is a powerful tool for attracting and retaining customers. Create valuable and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts that showcase your expertise and address your audience's pain points. Providing valuable content positions you as an authority in your niche, building trust and credibility. Offer free webinars, workshops, or downloadable resources to entice potential customers and demonstrate the value of your products or services. By delivering exceptional content and services, you can nurture a loyal community around your brand and increase the likelihood of word-of-mouth referrals, all without substantial financial investment. Number 8. Embrace guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing involves using unconventional and low-cost tactics to promote your online business creatively. This approach relies on creativity and out-of-the-box thinking to make a memorable impact on your target audience. Consider organizing flash mobs, street art, or viral social media campaigns that grab attention and generate buzz around your brand. Guerrilla marketing can be highly effective in increasing brand awareness and engagement without significant financial investment. Its unique and unexpected nature often leads to increased word-of-mouth marketing, further amplifying your message. Number 9. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is essential for increasing your website's visibility on search engines and driving organic traffic. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant search terms your target audience uses and incorporate them strategically into your website content. Optimize your website's meta tags, headings, and descriptions to improve search engine rankings. Creating high-quality and shareable content can attract backlinks from other websites, which positively impacts your SEO efforts. As your website climbs search engine rankings, it becomes more discoverable to potential customers, driving free and targeted traffic to your online business. Number 10. Leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you partner with affiliates who promote your products or services in exchange for a commission on sales. This means you only pay for successful conversions, making it a cost-effective way to expand your reach. Affiliates can be bloggers, influencers, or other businesses with an audience relevant to your niche. By leveraging affiliate marketing, you tap into their established networks, gaining access to a wider audience that may not have been reachable otherwise. This strategy can significantly boost your online sales and brand visibility, all while keeping your marketing expenses tied directly to results. Number 11. Bootstrap and reinvest profits. As your online business begins to generate revenue, practice bootstrapping by operating within your means and making the most of available resources. Instead of immediately taking profits, reinvest a portion back into your business. Use the reinvested funds to improve your products or services, enhance marketing efforts, or invest in further business development. By reinvesting profits wisely, you can accelerate your business growth and create a positive cycle of continual improvement and expansion, all without relying on external funding sources. Number 12. Seek small business grants and contests. While you're building your business with limited capital, keep an eye out for small business grants and contests. Various organizations, governmental bodies, and corporations offer grants and prizes for startups and small businesses with innovative ideas. Participating in business contests can help you gain recognition, exposure, and sometimes cash prizes or investment opportunities. These grants and contests can provide a much-needed boost to your business, enabling you to scale and grow without taking on debt or diluting equity. Number 13. Offer limited-time promotions. Creating a sense of urgency with limited-time promotions can drive quick conversions and attract customers to your online business. Offer special discounts or time-bound deals to entice potential customers to take immediate action. Scarcity and exclusivity can prompt people to make a purchase they might otherwise hesitate on. Limited time promotions can be an effective strategy to kickstart sales, gain initial customers, and create momentum for your online business, all without significant upfront costs. By implementing these secretive steps, you can lay a solid foundation for your online business and steadily grow it, even without substantial financial investment. Stay focused, be persistent, and continue to explore new opportunities and strategies as you build your online venture. Remember that success may not happen overnight, but with determination and resourcefulness, you can turn your passion into a thriving online business. Armed with these 13 strategic steps, you hold the keys to unlock a world of boundless opportunities. Your journey to establish a new online business with no money has been meticulously crafted, encompassing the core pillars of success. Happy earning!